Corbin here with Ask Parks, here to answer most burning park questions in about a minute. The question for today is, how much water do I need to extinguish a campfire? It's a good question. Let's find out. Unfortunately, we're all too familiar with wildfires here in Sonoma County, and most of us know never to leave a campfire unattended. But really, how much water do you need to make sure it's safe enough for you to walk away? Short answer is, as much as you need to make a campfire soup. Here's a recipe. First, you burn down the fire to coals, much like this one is now. Then you have a big jug or bucket filled with water and a shovel or other non-burnable implement that you'll be using to stir the coals. First, drown the coals with water. Go slowly, so not too much smoke. Give it a mix. And repeat as necessary. Now that I've stirred the coals and made sure they're saturated, you want to check the coals with your hand for any heat. And remember, if it's too hot to touch, it's too hot to leave. And add more water if you find any hot spots, and to make sure it's really slushy and saturated. One last mix. And a final check. Now it's nice and cool, and I can head out for a hike. Until next time.